Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook menu isn't available. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to make sure to exit Facebook. Then from here make sure that all your apps are exited. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the settings option. Once you go to the settings, click on apps. Once you click on apps, click on see all apps. And then from here click on search and search for Facebook. Once you click on Facebook, then from here you're going to click on storage and cache. Then you're going to make sure to click on the clear cache button. Once you click on that, go back. And then from here you can see the permissions button right here. Make sure that your permissions are all set and enabled, especially the data ones or the microphone, location, and photos and videos. So once you click on that, make sure to click on always allow for all. Finally, you're going to exit the settings. Then from here, you're going to search for the Play Store or the App Store. And then from here, you're going to search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, you're going to click on it. And now from here, if you realize that instead of the open button, it says update, then make sure to click on the update so that you can always use it on the latest version with no issues. And once you do that, your problem should be solved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.